Today in my workshop, I'm going to be tackling some hand tool organization with a product called wall control. In addition to using the wall control product, I'll be doing some custom 3D printed tool organization. But I'll talk more about that in a little bit. I used to use pegboard in my workshop for my tool storage. I like the idea of pegboard. Easy to customize, move things around, everything's in easy reach. But I don't like everything about this storage method. Tool holders never seem to come in the right capacity. Hooks come out too easily. Granted, these hooks are for a smaller pegboard size. Plus, in order to mount pegboard directly to a wall, you need to build out a frame to keep some room behind the board to accommodate the hooks. The panels I ordered are a nice powder-coated steel and come in a variety of colors and sizes. I ordered a 32 by 16 inch panel in gray. The 16 inch width is nice since I'll be attaching these directly to a wall with standard stud spacing. I also ordered up a variety of hooks and brackets from Wall Control. One advantage of this system is the way the hooks really lock into the panels. Again, there are all types of hooks and bracket sizes and shapes available. There are also holes with standard pegboard spacing that allow you to use conventional 1/4 inch pegboard hooks. I marked out the stud locations and got to work screwing the panels into the wall, making sure to get the first panel nice and level. I'm using wafer head construction screws, typically used for mounting cabinets, so I know I have solid holding power. Then I can go ahead and add additional panels. On the wall where I'm installing these panels, I do have an obstruction I need to deal with. In my shop, I have a central vacuum system piped in for small dust collection. The vacuum valves are piped up the wall and exit at the top of the drywall to tie into the main trunk line. One of these pipes falls directly in line with where the panels are going. I can't move the panels lower since I'll have a workbench along this wall. After mounting the panel with the hole cut in it, I had to move the first two panels over slightly. Luckily, the mounting hole still lined up over the studs. I installed the last two panels, and after a final check to make sure all the panels lined up across the bottom, I finished driving in all the screws. Alright, panels are up. Time to start hanging some tools. Even though Wall Control sells a large variety of hooks and brackets, I wanted to bring some customization to this project with some 3D printed parts. So I jumped on Fusion 360 and started designing some upgrades. These first pieces are designed to hold my screwdriver sets. All of these custom parts I'm printing are designed to hook onto Wall Control's standard 7/8 inch slotted hooks. This ensures a solid connection to the panel. I didn't think I would be able to 3D print a piece with an integrated hook that would be solid enough to hold. I also printed holders for my precision pliers set, my precision screwdriver set, as well as holders for my box wrenches. I designed the box wrench holders to be able to mount either way, large side up or small side up. This gives me flexibility to maximize space on the wall. I needed to figure out how to mount my T-handle hex wrenches on the wall as well. Wall Control makes a few different custom brackets that you can basically bolt anything into. Just bolting into the holders wouldn't allow the handles to fit, so I 3D printed a couple spacers to bring the handles out a bit. I included links below if you're interested in this product for your shop. Thanks for watching.